Good morning, students. Let us start part 6, chapter 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. In this part, we will dealing with tiling problem. Tiling problem? Yes. A different type of tiles you must have seen in your school, home, toilets, kitchens. Different tiles has different length area. So how do we decide and how we can decide total length or area of on which tile is already there? So let us see the problem. There is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden, there is a path. Okay, path means road. Okay, road or walking way. In the park, you must have seen the roads on which we walk. So that kind of walking road is called as path, or in simply rasta. They have decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet, 5 feet. They have three types of tile. Okay. Okay. First is 2 feet. Second type is 3 feet. Third type is 5 feet. Okay. So in first row, the mason tiled the first row. Mason who is Mistri. Mason tiled first row with 2 feet. So in row 1, 2 feet. In second row, 3 feet. Third row. So in this way, he mason has tiled the area without cutting any tile. So what could be the length of shortest length? So shortest length means by fitting all the tiles in first row 2, in second row 3 and third row 5 foot tile. Okay. So the minimum or shortest length will be 2 into 3 into 5. Multiplication of all the three types of tile. 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30. 30 feet. Okay. So the shortest length of the path is 30 feet. So let us move next. Manoj has made a new house. He has made a new house. And whenever we make a new house, we always think about to make it beautiful. So for beautification, he think about the tiles. Let us see. The size of the room is 9 into 12 feet. 9 into 12 feet. Okay, this is the size of the room in which he has to uh, put in the tiles. So he has tiles of 1 cross 1 foot, 1 cross 1 foot. Second tile is 2 cross 2 foot, 2 feet into 2 feet. Third tile is 3 feet into 3 feet. Type 1 tile, type 2 tile, type 3 tile. He has three types of tile. Okay. What size of tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? So which tile he can use in his room without cutting? Okay. So it depends upon the factors. If size of tile is factor of size of room, then it can be used there clearly. Okay. One is factor of 9. Yes, one is factor of every number. One is factor of 12. Yes, one is factor of every number. So 1 cross 1 tile can be used in his room. This is the correct size of the tile for his room. Okay. Second, 2 is not factor of 9. 2 is factor of 2. Means totally this 2 is not factor of 2. So this tile cannot be used in his room without cutting it. Okay. Now 3 3 is a 9. 3 is factor of 9. 3 4s are 12, 3 is a factor of 12, means this tile can also be used in his room without cutting that. So 1 cross 1 and 3 cross 3. These two types of tile he can use without cutting in his room. Okay, because these are the factor of the size of the room. If size of the factor of the room is equivalent to size of the tile, then it can be fit in without cutting. Otherwise, we have to cut the tile. Okay. Now, Rani, Geeta, Nasima live near each other. Okay. There are three girls. Rani, Geeta, Nasima lives near each other. The distance from the house to the road is 90. Okay. 90 feet from the main road. They have distance 90 feet. Now they want to tile this area. They decided to tile the path to the road. They all bought of different design and length because everyone has different choice. So they bring different type of tiles. Rani brought shortest tile. Geeta bought middle one, and Nasima bought the longest one. If they could tile the path without cutting any of the tile, what is the size of the tile each has bought? Suggest three ways, because there are three different paths, so we have to suggest three ways. Okay, so what could be the different size of tile that could be fit in the path without cutting that? So again, answer lies in the factors. Let us have factor of 90. 90 is size of the path. What could be the factor? 1. 1 is factor of every number. Because at unit place it is 0, so 2 it is even number, so 2 is also its factor. Because 9 is in the table of 3, so 3 is also its factor. 4 is not factor. 5, yes, because at unit place if 5 and 0 is there, it is factor of 5. Because it is factor of 2, factor of 3, so it is factor of 6. See the divisible test link you will find in I button above. 9 is its factor and 10 is its factor. So these are the number which is factor of size of the path. So any of the tile, if they will bring with this size, will be fit in the path without cutting that. So one can bring 1 fit tile, second can bring 2 fit tile, third can bring 3 fit tile. Okay, or they can bring 6 fit tile, 9 fit tile, 10 fit tile. They can bring 3 fit tile, 5 fit tile, 6 fit tile. So this in this way they can bring three different tiles to fit in the area of the tiles. So all this depend upon the factor of the number. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, and hit the like button. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you.